do one more video afterwards, right? Just like something crazy. We'll just pick a video to do. Okay. So how about Sinead or Fanula, share your screen, share your playground. I'm going to show you how to hook it up. And the other person should not be doing this. So just one person do this for now. All right.
You want to Lego? Or
Do you have your playground up?
yeah, because I can share. I was doing something. So
okay. So do you have your GitHub account hooked up to this repository?
GitHub. How do I think, did we do a Teaching Tuesday on it kind of?
You go to folders and then packages. And then if you scroll all the way down, if there's a little button that says GitHub, then that means it's linked. The other way you can do it is you just go to profile and then see your, yeah.
Perfect, GitHub. So now go to the files that you have, scroll up a bit, all those that are gray and selected. So pick just the ones you want, of the template files, of everything. Pick just the ones you want.
How do I unpick?
Command. You command to click or unclick individual ones while not changing the others. So is that the only file you want? The only PDF you want?
No. These aren't.
It's the
I think it's that one, and I'll just do this one, I think, as well. No, this one.
Oh, I keep forgetting we're in your one.
Now pick, nope, scroll up again. Pick the static files you want. You probably need no, you probably don't need the colors CSS or the mass icon.png because you're using basic questions, right?
Yeah.
So unselect those. Actually, go up to the very top of this page because you're starting from something to begin with. MA Virtual Court. Okay, so what I'd like you to do actually is click the add button on the left there. Leave, just leave, that's fine.
Okay.
And now I'd like you to give this a different name, which is the name of your form. Don't know what it's called. No spaces, no anything, just alphanumeric. So
is this one where we have there's no spaces or no underscores, no dashes, nothing,
just alphanumeric. Okay, now scroll down. Now pick the interview files that you want. So what are they, up a bit? Up just a bit?
Oh.
Interview files. So which file is yours? Great.
This one, yeah.
Okay, now pick the template that you want, which is the same one you picked before, I assume. Now pick I don't think you want any of those static files. I don't think you want that. I don't think you want that.
What are static files?
It's just another, it's not Python files. Or no, maybe they're data files. I don't remember. I think they're non-Python files. Now go down to the bottom, hit save. This is specifically when you're starting from MA Virtual Court because you have to make it separate. Now scroll all the way down again and hit GitHub. And you are making a new repository. This makes a new repository on your account. Not sure that means anything to you, but someday it might. And so you can write initial commit. And if there's anything useful you can say about like what point you are at in the project, that would also be useful.
We're kind of just, would it be just general that we're
implementing the changes?
Editing or
That's okay.
implementing.
After first review,
Yeah.
maybe?
Yeah.
Or maybe just say after first review.
Oh, yeah, okay.
It doesn't have to be, yeah, capitalized. I mean, it can be whatever you want it to be. Okay. And this isn't usually the pattern for how you, I wish they would be more consistent about that, but whatever. So, yep, go ahead and commit. And now if you check on GitHub, if you check your repositories, look, and go to your, your repositories. So I'm going to annotate. Yep. So your repositories. And that you have a repository, right? Which is beautiful. And now you want to click in there. And you want to, what we're going to do now is transfer ownership to Suffolk Lit Lab, which will still give you access.
Michelle, how come so many initial commits are appearing?
So this means that in the Docassemble folder, there was a change, and it is on the commit that was given the text of initial commit. But you did them all right now, right? So each of those has changes that happened on initial commit. If you make another change in just the readme.md and you say edit readme, it's actually commit in a command. So edit readme, or update readme, then you will see update readme right next to readme, and none of the others will have changed.
Okay.
So a commit is every time you kind of hit a save point, you're like, save this place for me so I can go back to it. So let's go to settings. Up at the top there with insights, yep, settings, we're going to transfer ownership now so that it belongs to Suffolk Lit Lab, and go down all the way, nope, all the way to the bottom to the danger zone. There we go. And you want to transfer ownership. The organization name, I think, is Suffolk Lit Lab with a capital S. You know what? Open a new tab and find, oh, okay. Is that the name of the organization? That's fine. That is.
Git. I'm going to just check it. No.
GitHub, yeah.
Suffolk Lit Lab.
All capital. LIT is all capital.
LIT is capital.
And then just copy and paste this. Oh, that is not.
Oh, this?
Yep. Into that box. Not with a space at the beginning.
I'll go back and get rid of it.
Sure. All right.
And then I just press that?
Yep. I understand. Transfer this repository. And you want to transfer it to the doc assembly line. Now you still have access to it. Someone who doesn't have access to it is Finola, which we will get her access. Sinead, if you could link that repository, go to that repository. You can see it right here.
This, okay.
So link that repository to David and tell him that the team needs permissions on it.
Link isn't like just send him the URL or
just the URL.
Okay.
Michelle, when we go back into our playground and edit the code, that won't appear on GitHub unless we commit it. Is that correct?
So now I'm going to take you, Finola, through your side of things because you don't have that repository yet. You don't have that package yet. Okay?
Okay.
What did you say to David again? That this is to
the team needs permissions. Just the repo is good. Or that. You're a fast typer. Very good. So now, Sinead, unshare your screen.
Okay.
And we're going to go to Finola. You share your screen. Do you have the playground up?
Yeah, I'm just getting it now.
Okay. Perfect.
Can you
Okay.
see the screen?
Almost. Okay, so now I want you to go to your folders and packages. You know what? No, make a new project. Sorry, make a new project. So the top left, very top left, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. The playground, it doesn't matter. FHMA, where that is, drop down, right?
Yeah.
Manage projects. Add a new project. And call it what you want. That'll remind you that this is the, yeah. Save. Click on that project. Sorry, getting ahead of ourselves. Sorry. Now go to folders, packages. Now pull. Hit the, that is not where the, yeah. So where are my annotations? So now you want to get the URL of the thing that Sinead just created. So
Yeah.
Sinead, give Finola the URL as well.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
I'll send it in the chat here, actually.
Sure.
What happened there? Oh, my Wi-Fi is so bad, guys. Sorry.
No worries. No worries at all. So it's in the Zoom chat now.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
And pick the master branch. There you go. Pull it in. It'll restart or whatever it wants to do. Oh, didn't even go through that. Hit the, and now you've got the files, so you can hit the back button. Where's my annotations bar? Okay.
This back
You
button?
can hit this back button. Hang on. That back button. Nope. The one I pointed to. So do cancel. You cancel, right? And now there will be the back button up here.
Oh, sorry.
No worries. So now I would like you to make an edit, a really quick edit. And I have to go real soon, but.
This Sinead's code now that I'm editing.
Yes.
Okay.
Gonna do, just add a comment somewhere. Just add a comment, like a hash symbol. Because I don't have a ton of time, sorry. So like just here, just add a new line and a hash symbol and, you know, nope, just a hash symbol, just a hash symbol.
Just like that?
Yep, and then type a letter next to it, like Q or something. Perfect, now save it. Now go to packages again. Then go to the bottom of the page and click GitHub. And this is what you'll be doing too in the future. Nope, not yet, don't commit yet. Hit the drop down. Select new branch. Call it, you know, test branch, test dash branch. Nope, no spaces, sorry, no spaces. Dash branch, dash. So good. Now, okay, underscore works too. And you can write testing a new branch. And then hit commit. Oh, you can't. You can't commit because you don't have permissions yet. Let's cross out.
David gave permissions. He just messaged there.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah.
So we'll hopefully see it working. So now go to the bottom of the page. I'm going to show you how you can see what you did. Click on the published on GitHub, because that will take you to the repository. And there you can see your test branch had recent pushes. You can click here, yep, to go to your test branch. That's right. And that's where your change is.
Okay.
See, testing a new branch is
every time I commit something from the code, do I have to commit it in a new branch?
Not every time.
Okay.
Just, I suggest that you work on your branch and Sinead work on her branch. And
dash Maeve dash Lance dash Sinead. So you'll have like notice of limited appearance dash Maeve.
Well, I suggest naming it by what you're working on. So if you're working on separate things, for example, like I would name it by like, you know, what was, you know, remove name screen, right? Remove
You would
dash
name
name
branch
dash screen. What?
Sorry, you would rename the branch what you're working on. Is that what?
Well, I would name the branch that I was working on, that thing. You can also pull master back in and it'll overwrite everything that's in your repository right now.
Okay.
I do have to go now.
No worry.
But maybe you should show them how to make issues. How do I transfer host powers? Maybe